Hey everybody, this is Jessie over here at Eden Street Soap Company, and I just want to say hi to any new people that are joining us. And if you are a current subscriber or a regular viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I swapped out the water in my regular lye water solution with goat's milk and coconut milk, and I used about 90% worth of goat's milk and the rest coconut. And the way I prepped it is by freezing all of it. And then I put the cubes in instead of water. There's no water added to this at all. And I slowly added in my measured amount of lye a little bit at a time. And I keep stirring until it's melted. Add a little more, stir until it's melted, add a little more. And you just continue on until it's fully melted. It takes a little while, but the payoff is wonderful. You don't have a singed milk soap, and you also don't have any stinky smell to try to cover up. So at this moment in time, I've already got the sustainable palm in there and the coconut in there. We are going to add the rest of the oils. And for this batch, I did some soybean oil, canola oil, castor oil, olive oil, and just the standard oils that I use for my everyday soap. So once I get all those added in here, then we're going to move on to the next step where I add my sugar water, and then I pour my cooled lye mixture in. Remember, there's no water, so it's mostly goat's milk. So in this situation, it's going to start to thicken up and already start the saponification process, because the fat in the goat's milk and the fat in the coconut milk mixing with the lye is already going to start to kind of curdle. But it will be okay in your soap, because once it saponifies, there won't be any smell, no curdling, nothing. So I checked my lye solution. It looks great. It's going to have kind of a yellow color, especially if you use a high concentration of goat's milk. So I give it one last stir, put it to the side, and now we prep the scented oil. And I'm splitting this batch in half and making 2 smaller loaves of soap. And so the first cup is going to have kaolin clay. The kaolin clay is used to anchor the scent. Otherwise, your scented oil or essential oil may dissipate quicker during the curing process, because what happens is the first 24-48 hours, the soap is fully saponifying. But after that, when it's put away for 4 weeks, it's just losing moisture to where it gets to its final weight. And if you don't anchor the scent with a clay or even a cornstarch or an arrowroot, it will dissipate along with the water. So the scent that I'm mixing here is an orange patchouli, And I make this with orange essential oil and patchouli scented oil. And it comes out so nice, and it's heavy on the orange and lighter on patchouli. The next scent I'm going to be making is going to be a lavender blossom or a lavender bloom scent. And I really like this. I think it has such a unique version of lavender, and it really reminds me of fabric softener. I really like this version that I get, and I get it from Nature's Garden Candles. I really like this one. So as you can see here, I'm picking out some colors for my soap batches. And I got these colors from Nurture Soap. It is one of my favorite soap supply companies. I think their colored mica is so pigmented, and they are eco-conscious, and just the stuff they offer is great. You can even get 1 pound of melt and pour for like $6. So you don't have to buy a whole big bunch, and you still get that sale price. I know it's really handy when you just have to do some end beds or something like that. So I am an affiliate with them. If you would like to check them out, it would be so helpful if you click the link in the description below, and it'll take you right to the page. And I'll try to put some different links for different products that I showed in this video. I also am affiliate through Amazon. So if you want to check out some different things like the molds that I used in this video, I got through Amazon, and there are some stuff that I bought from Amazon, especially when I was first starting out. So I'll put some links below for that too, if you're interested.